I'm going to show you how the auto reply AI agent works. So here's a ticket from a customer. The customer is complaining about a plan upgrade not reflecting on the account. Now, the auto reply agent has just added a response for this ticket in the form of an internal note. It's drafted this response as per the instructions that we've given it while setting up how to respond to this category of tickets. You also have an option to automatically send this response out to the customer directly if you are confident enough that the AI is doing a good job with this category of tickets. Adding it as an internal note is useful because your agent just has to open the ticket. They can review the response that the AI has created for them, and if they think it's correct, they can actually just copy paste and send it out. Another interesting aspect is you can actually test how the AI agent is performing on your tickets. So on the same ticket, I'm actually going to open the auto reply agent from the right sidebar over here, and I'm going to hit start test on ticket. Now, what the AI agent is doing is it's going through a ticket and it's going through the rules that you've given it, and it's actually drafting a response for you. And there you go, it's created a response for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the entire response, and it's also giving me a reasoning on why it's actually created this answer. If you want to configure how the AI agent handles a particular ticket category, just go to the auto reply AI agent dashboard by clicking on its icon in the left menu bar over here. The icon looks like a messaging icon with a star in the middle, and also when you hover on it, it shows you auto reply AI agent by Macha. So just click on that and you'll end up on the home screen of the dashboard. You need to go to intents and start adding intents. This will enable the auto reply AI agent to start handling complete ticket categories for you.